tatlo na Trip Valley nananampal. Iko. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nelson Sakon Vlog. Nandito na naman po tayo sa ating fishing spot. Matagal na panahon nandito po tayo nakapag-fishing sa spot na ito, mga kasima, kasi sobrang busy sa ating mga gawain. Maraming mga orders, maraming pending. So yan, makakasama natin si mga Indonesian. Ayan, dito sa spot na to. Shout out to Mr. Kul. Come and join us to this spot, sir. I already sent to you the location. Right. Ayan o, hanggang dun. Yan ang spot. So, anyway, makakahuli sana tayo sa araw na ito. Sana shortehin, sana palarin, para meron tayong mabitbit na pang-ulam, pang-ihaw man lang. Yan. So, okay mga kasima, ating kasama natin si GC Boy. Andyan. Si Ed nasa ibaba, wala sa baba, malalim. Ayan, nakapula dun si shout out kay Bonex Indonesian. Ayan, tsaka may isang Saudi yan, nakablow sa likod. So okay, umpisa na tayo. Time check natin, 6:30 in the morning. Fishing time. What's up?
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. Hunger stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chest. It's happening next. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's never regression. Oh, you could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me.
Kenalan itu. Kenalan. Salah kenal.
Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep who feet hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's looking for somebody who can save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep who feet hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they see me. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
Update mga kasima, sa clear natin, nakakadalawang sakmal tayo, dalawang tuna sana pag nakagat. So hindi para namimili yata ang kulay ng tuna. So subukan natin magkulay blue. Yan, try natin to mga kasima, baka sakali makahuli pa tayo pag may dumaan pa. Clear, medyo hindi magandang hindi maganda yung kagat nila, baga sakmal lang, hindi napupuruan. Pero try natin, baka mas tipo nila ang kulay ko. Okay.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody is right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else will succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there, but if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
Silhouettes of you are like a dawn. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
Uli yung kulay blue natin, oh.
See me right there. But if I
Blue.
lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you
Update mga kasima.
do I feel so.
Nag-donate tayo, naputol yung braided natin. Wala, pumutok na yung linya. Kaya
Silhouettes of
bagong salpak na naman. Tsaka blue ulit ang gagamitin natin mga kasima. Sayang nga yung kanina, agatan na ako, malaki pa naman. Kaso nga lang nagkasabitan hanggat sa natanggal yung ano ko, yung isda. So anyway, normal lang naman yun. Basta ano lang, wala lang magagalit, wala lang mga high blood. Kahit mawala isda, basta safe kayong namimingwit, okay na yun. Happy na yun. So wala lang madidisgrasya. So anyway mga siba, sasalpak ulit natin to. Ito pala yung nahuli natin, no? Kasima, may commercial tayo, papakita ko sa inyo. Napaka-special ang nahuli ng isang Indonesian kasama natin. Nahuli, oh. Nakahuli, oh. Champion, the best. Oh. Ito ang nahuli. Hira lang to mga kasima. Ibon, nahuhuli sila na dagat. Nice.
1 hour later.
Hindi natin pangatlo. Talakitok. Ayan, o. Tripali. Huli natin. Tripali. Nananampal. Nananampal ka, oh. Quits tayo. Nampal mo ako. Pangatlo natin sa kulay blue. Ayan, oh. Kasima. Okay. Update natin, tatlo na. Nakatatlong tayo, isang talakitok, 2 tuna. Ito po ang catch of the day natin.
A few moments later.
Okay mga kasima, update natin. Ito yung mga nahuli namin lahat, mga Indonesia at Pilipino. Ito mga kasima, panoorin nyo. Ito ang huli ni Kasima. Yan, sa ibabaw huli ni Ed. Tsaka may talakitok tayong bonus. At ito naman yung mga Indonesian. Yan, oh. Sinusupot na mga kasima, oh. Ayan pa, oh. Masya. Mansing mantap. Wow, yan, oh. Tsaka yun pa. Ayan, oh. Kalat. Ito pa. Ayan, oh. Okay, so ayan mga kasima, ang ganap na naman sa araw na ito. Maraming salamat muli sa inyong mga panonood. Maraming salamat sa inyong mga suporta. Shoutout sa mga laging nanonood sa ating video. Kahit madalang-dalang na ang pagbibideo natin. Sa mga anglers, lahat ng anglers, ingat po. So anyway, ito na naman po. Nelson Sagon Vlog. Fish on. Thank you for watching.